Welcome back to Python tutorials. I'm Venkat. In this video, let us look at the rules for creating variable names in Python. These are the rules we need to remember when we are creating variables in Python. First rule here is variable name must start with a letter or the underscore. So we cannot start with any other characters except letters and underscore. And second rule here is variable name cannot start with a number. So if you create a variable name starting with number, your code will not work. It will show you the error. The third rule here is variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore. Alphanumeric characters are nothing but A to Z, either capital or small, and 0 to 9. So after these two sets, we can use underscore. Okay, these are the three sets of characters we can use when we are naming a variable. And fourth one here is variable names are case sensitive. In the previous video, we have seen variable names are case sensitive. Here you can see the example: name with all small letters, name with only first capital letter, and name with all capital letters are different variables. This is an example. And the last rule here is a variable name cannot be any of the Python keywords. There are inbuilt keywords in Python. We cannot use those keywords as a variable names. Okay. So these are the rules we need to remember when we are creating variable names in Python. And if you are creating variables with multiple words in it, we need to use these cases: camel case or Pascal case or snake case. Let me explain you what are these cases. Here you can see this is a camel case. So I have taken three different variables. So this is a variable having one word. This is another variable having two words. This is another variable having three words. Okay. So in camel case, first word, first letter should be smaller. Okay. And then onwards, every word starts with capital letter. Okay. Here you can see this variable is having two words. So first word, first letter is small, and then onwards, every word starts with capital letter. So here you can understand it better. So because it is having three words, first word, first letter is always small. That means variable name starts with small letter, and then onwards, every word starts with capital letter. Here you can see current first letter is a capital, address first letter also capital. Okay. So this is a camel case. The next case is Pascal case. So in Pascal case, every word starts with capital letter. Even if a variable having one word, so you need to start with capital letter. If it is having two words, you need to capitalize first letter of every word. Here you can see E is capital in employee word and N is capital in name word. Okay. So here also E is capital in first word, C is capital in second word, A is capital in third word. Okay. So this is a Pascal case. And when it comes to the third one, snake case, so you can see snake case will have all lowercase letters, but you need to differentiate the words with underscore. So if there is a word, you need to add underscore before that. Okay. So this snake case will have all lowercase letters, but between the words, you need to use underscores. Okay. This is a snake case. So these are the three cases you need to use when you are creating a variable with multiple words in it. Okay. These are the rules we need to remember when we are creating variables in Python. Yeah, that's all for this video. If you feel this video is useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.